Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can spoof your location or change your location over on TikTok using a VPN. And this is not your normal method because there's a lot more behind the scenes going on with spoofing or changing your location on TikTok. It's not as easy as simply putting and enabling a VPN. So in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how you can change your actual region over on TikTok. I'm going to show you some proof first in order to show you guys that it does actually work. So I'm actually from the Netherlands, currently located in the Netherlands and also filming this video in the Netherlands. But if I open my TikTok app, go to the profile, here go to creator tools, you can see that I have the creator fund, which is clearly an option only the United States have at the moment. So we can see that this does actually work, and if I actually disable my VPN again, the creator fund option will also be disabled. So how does this work and how can you do this? Well, let me quickly show you guys how in as shortest time as possible. Make sure to follow all steps so you know exactly what you need to do. So the first thing you need to do is going into settings, and we have three things we need to change in settings. The first thing is scrolling down till you find TikTok, and what you need to disable is allow tracking. This is really important, so make sure to disable allow tracking. The second thing you want to do is go into privacy, location services, and make sure that location services is completely disabled. Really important. The third thing you need to do right now is go into general, language and region, and you want to change your iPhone language to English, region to the United States, calendar can be the same, and temperature unit needs to be to Fahrenheit. So the Fahrenheit is also used in the United States, of course, just to trick TikTok as much as possible. Now, what we need to do as well is probably going to be quite upsetting to a lot of people for you guys, but what you need to do is you need to actually remove your SIM card or disable your SIM card. Two ways to do this: you can use an app that disables your SIM card and basically tricks your phone into thinking you don't have a SIM card anymore, or you can simply just remove it, of course, here by going into the site and just simply taking it out. This is the most important step, and if you don't remove your SIM card, it won't work, and there's no other option for it to make it work. You need to remove your SIM card if you want to spoof to a location you're not from. So yeah, what you then need to do once it's disabled, you need to make sure, or removed, is you need to make sure you have no SIM card in your phone, just like I have no SIM. Now what you need to do is you need to fire up your VPN. I'm using VPN Super Unlimited. It's on Google Play and App Store. It's completely free. It's one of the best VPNs out there, and like I said, you only get some ads and it's completely free. Now what we're going to do is we're going to, of course, spoof to any location we want. You can choose any location, however most people will probably want to spoof to the United States to get all the features the United States have. For example, we're going to go to any state in the United States, such as New York, and make sure to click the top one because this one has the quickest speed. Now we're going to connect. This will probably not take too long, and now just simply wait till the ad plays. Don't click away, nothing, just wait till the ad plays, and then we can remove the ad, and now we can see that we're connected. One last thing we need to do is simply check that the VPN is actually connected, and we can see that the VPN is indeed connected. What we now can do is finally fire up TikTok and see if it worked. Of course, for me it 100% worked because I've been doing this for a long time right now, and if you followed all my steps, it should work as well. So yeah, let's open TikTok. Now what we're going to do is go to profile, three things in the top right corner of your screen, creator tools, and we're going to see if you have the United States features such as the creator fund. We can now see I have the creator fund, and if I disable my VPN again, we can actually see that I don't have the VPN, I don't have the creator fund anymore. So yeah, sorry about that. I'm just quickly going to show you guys that in order to prove that this is completely real and that this will work, and you have to go through the hassle if you want to make this work, but it is worth it. So yeah, now we can see that my VPN is not connected anymore, and when I now open TikTok, go to profile, three stripes in the top right corner, creator tools, we can now see that the creator tool function or creator fund function, alright, is gone. And yeah, this does indeed work. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, and if this video helped you in any way, and if this worked for you, then I would really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.